The difference between these conditioners is their formula with low pH level. If I feel my hair is dry, I want to moisturize this hair in this protective style that it is in, I'm going to moisturize my hair with a leave-in conditioner. I still experienced breakage during the period that I was deep conditioning, but so I got this comment on Instagram that is there a difference between daily leave-in strengthener and deep conditioner from Mega Growth. Basically, she was asking if there was a difference between leave-in conditioners and deep conditioners. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys the difference between leave-in conditioners and deep conditioners. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing this face, welcome. If it's not, welcome back to the channel. On this channel, we create hair care content, and lifestyle content. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. So I started deep conditioning this past few years after getting relaxed. I made a video about my journey and all. I'm going to leave the video linked below in the description or wherever. Before then, I didn't know a lot about deep conditioning. Deep conditioners are formulated to be thicker than leave-in conditioners. Leave-in conditioners are lighter in texture and in consistency than deep conditioners. Deep conditioners are formulated with richer ingredients that helps to penetrate the hair shaft, which helps to repair and hydrate the hair strand. They are especially beneficial to those with dry, damaged, or chemically damaged, that's processed hair, people that their hair is damaged. This is my period of being relaxed. My hair has been damaged. I've damaged my hair before, so that was when I started deep conditioning. Leave-in conditioners are free of oils, so they don't wear the hair down, while a leave-in conditioner is left in the hair to help moisturize the hair and detangle the hair. It is not rinsed out because it's even more lightweight to a deep conditioner. Deep conditioners consist of more oils. They contain more oils. There are more oils used to formulate deep conditioners than leave-in conditioners. The difference between a deep conditioner and a leave-in conditioner is that a deep conditioner is left in the hair for a prolonged period of time with heat to help to hydrate and moisturize the hair strands better. Deep conditioners are left in the hair for a prolonged period of time with heat and rinsed out later, while a leave-in conditioner is used to moisturize and detangle the hair. It may restore hair moisture and reduce the likelihood of breakage and help to restore moisture and improve hair elasticity. So when my hair was breaking after being relaxed this past few years, I started deep conditioning. I still experienced breakage during the period that I was deep conditioning, but it's reduced. And the breakage I was experiencing during that period was because I wasn't doing protein treatment. So my hair, I feel moisture overload, if that's the right word to use. I was just moisturizing my hair. My hair strands were weak. They were not getting the strength. It was not enough to strengthen my hair strand to completely help to reduce breakage, because your hair is it's normal for your hair to break. Leave-in conditioners, on the other hand, are meant to be left in the hair to help moisturize and hydrate your hair. Leave-in conditioners are best for keeping the hair more soft and shiny and making your hairstyles more manageable over the period you have your hairs in. If you have a protective hairstyle, you would see me oftentimes using now, if I want to wash this hair, I'm going to use my leave-in conditioner. Or if I feel my hair is dry, I want to moisturize this hair in this protective style that it is in, I'm going to moisturize my hair with a leave-in conditioner. The difference between these conditioners is their formula with low pH level. Would I suggest deep conditioning and leave-in conditioners to someone? Depends on what your the state of your hair, especially if you experience breakage and thinning and you use a lot of heat, you manipulate your hair a lot. Yes, I would suggest and recommend you should deep condition and have a leave-in. Also, especially if you have medium to high porosity hair, I would suggest that you deep condition, because that was what happened to me when my hair was damaged of chemicals. I knew and I found out, I did my research and started deep conditioning. Then the type of conditioners you should use should be based on your hair type. Doing this will help you to find a formula that helps to target any problem area you might be experiencing with your hair. This will help you to find a formula that helps to target a problem in your hair that needs correcting. I personally deep condition every wash day. I deep condition every wash day, and I use the Mega Growth deep conditioner and leave-in deep conditioner. But hopefully I get to try out, other products from other brands. And I won't say you should deep condition every wash day. Like I said, depending on the problem that you might be experiencing with your hair, just find a routine. It might be once in a month, it might be once every 2 weeks, or weekly. So do find out what works, the routine that works best for your hair, depending on the problem areas you're trying to correct with your hair, and stick with it. We have come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.